Pika.art is actually one of the best AI video generator too. You can easily just generate a video on command. Pika is the idea to video platform that sets your creativity in motion. And right here guys, you want to simply try out Pika, you can easily try it in the Discord application. But right here guys, simply go on to try Pika right here. And once you're right here guys, can easily sign in with Google or with Discord right here. So this idea to video platform that sets your creativity to motion is very easy to use. So simply go on to sign in with Google and it's going to take you right onto the Pika.art dashboard. And we are right here guys on the Pika.art dashboard. So right here guys, you can easily just describe your story and click on to generate, or you can easily upload an image or video and simply just generate right there. So right here guys, let's simply describe our story. So this is it right here. I've been able to add in my prompt, so click on to generate. As you can see, our video is generating soon, so you want to simply wait for some few seconds. And you can easily retry or re-prompt this right here. But guys, I'm just going to leave this like this to see what the Pika.art can actually generate right here first. So right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to generate this awesome video right here by simply giving this a prompt. And you can easily just download this right into your device. You can easily view this in a full screen right here. So guys, this is how you can easily generate video by making use of text to video. So guys, the next thing we're going to make use of is image to video. So you simply click onto this right here and you want to simply upload that particular video right here. So guys, what I'm simply going to do right now is to simply just upload that video. So right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to put in the image. So let's simply add in something to it. Let's describe our story. And once you're done, click on to generate, and this is just going to generate this particular image right here to video within a few seconds. So right here guys, as you can see, this has been generated right here, and guys, this is looking so amazing. So this is how you can easily make use of the image to video tool of Pika 1.0 right here. So guys, you can also just download this right into your device. As you can see, it is looking so amazing right here. So the next we're going to simply make use of is the video to video. So you simply just tap onto this right here and simply just upload your video. You can decide to make use of this particular video right here and simply click on to open, and this is it right here. So you can easily just describe your story. So once you're done, click on to generate, and our video will be done generating in a few seconds. So this is the video to video tool of the Pika 1.0 art right here. So right here guys, this is how you can easily make use of the Pika art right here, whereby you can easily just create your video on command by simply just giving this a prompt. Give this a prompt, upload an image and video, and this is just going to generate your video right here for you. So simply try out this best free AI video generator called the Pika 1.0 right here.